guys! Welcome to my Tagulong Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. So, gagawa po tayo ng slime. So, nakikita niyo na meron po kami ng slime dito. Kasi po, may mga blue, red, and borax, and something to mix in, and something to mix nagtunog! Ay! Paggalawin mo na yung slime. Paghalo ko na. Paghalo ko na. Purple! Wag! Wag! Bakit? Papaghalo natin pagkatapos na natin. Okay. Ngayon, ito po yung slime na nagawa namin nung nakaraan. Kaya po, mix na po namin muna yung pause na po kami dito. So, parang akin, yan po, parang sticky. Pero akin na parang purple. Okay. Yan po, maglalagay na kami borax. Yan ako muna first. Yan, ikaw na second. Okay, stick po them. Ito po yung slime na ginawa po namin kukaraan. Pero mulit ng borax. Naging slime na akin. Just ko yung po. Naging slime na agad. So, naging purple po yung amin. As you can see, kaya po inimix na po namin siya. Kaso lang po, hindi po nagiling sa akin. Akin din, pero ng borax. Sorry naman. Kaya nagiging slime na akin. Akin din po. Yan po yung slime. Ayan po yung slime. Yan. Comment below po sa amin kung sino yung mas maganda na slime dito sa pag gusto nyo po makita ka, lang po. Dito po kami nakatira sa playground. Libre lang po kayo pumunta. Yes. Kaso lang po kailangan nyo pa pamasakin. Kasi po lang po. Joke lang. Pero gagawa po kami ng white. Bibili po kami ng white, blue, tsaka mamaya. Ay hindi po kami gagawa ng hindi po namin kailangan ng Ariel Power Jars kasi meron na kaming activator with this. Yan, siguro pwede ko nang hawakan. Hindi po ikaw kaya hawakan kasi po baka malay nyo na stick pa rin po siya. So, ayun po yung door namin. Kung saan yung daddy ko nang tutulog or yung mommy ko o kami lang namin. Wow! Ginawa po namin to karaan. So, may mga iba po kaming slime na binibenta. Yan po ang slime. So, yun na po yung akin. Yung ginawa po namin yung karaan. So, ito po yung sa kanya. Parang crunchy slime. Parang akin po, hindi po siya crunchy. Tapos siyang crunch. Nilagyan po kasi namin ng ball. Mini ball. Nilagyan po namin ng bora yung akin. Akin lang po yun. Kasi po, tapos po ako. Ito po yung slime. Nagiging slime na po yung akin. So, as you can see, nakita nyo na po. Yan po, pinaghalap ko yung slime ko, yung crunchy. So, ito po yung slime. Yan po, may, para po may tundok-tundok. Nakapera mo. So, okay, we're back. Konti. So, mahilig po kami sa slime. Kasi po, mahilig po kami kasi po, stretchy po siya kagaya neto. Kagaya neto. Tsaka pokey. Tsaka ang lambot. Pwede niya siya gawin ng ganito. Crunchy siya, crunchy. Para po siyang liquid. Ito po, ayan.
How many technical fights does it take to be suspended for an NBA playoffs?
Crunchy.
If it
Talaga siya.
after the seventh or
Para mo. Meron po kaming gold
you also
glitter.
have to be aware of that. If you're, Patrick Beverly and the Clippers maybe not
Glitter lang, may glitter po kasi daw. Kasi
Kevin Durant.
glitter
You do have to be aware of
kaya neto.
So they're both together. Let's bring in Steve Javi once again. And Steve, what
So,
you
kailangan
guys
ko
bring
po
up is something that
ng
before game two, this
more
is something
activator.
all
Kasi
that
po
happened
yung
in game
akin,
one
hindi
was
po
a
siya
major discussion
nagiging
amongst the officials for game two. correct?
Lagyan mo po.
There's no doubt. Matter of fact, I just got my assignment. I'm working game two, guys, and I can't wait.
Yan po yung slime.
You and I are going to be able to put together.
Yan po yung slime na pinagsalo.
Will be
Salo.
Will the referees know coming into
Ako
this
yung
series that this is two teams that do a lot of chirping across the board,
Tsaka,
and I need to get started right away? Or is that something you
pwede
allow the
nyo
game to
po
dictate?
makita na
No, you have
may
to dictate that
clear.
yourself from the locker room. You know
So,
these
tsaka
two
pwede
teams
nyo po siya.
are teams
Sir
that
po, di po masyadong kita yung glitter.
you have to
Kasi
do
po,
well. You come out, and that's why I was a little disappointed early.
may color po kasi
If
dito.
it had
So,
been handled early,
ay,
maybe
color
this
niya.
wouldn't happen. Who knows? We don't know that. But I think
Baka
they
kailangan
handled
ko
it
po
properly
ng
right now. Let's take care of business, and then game
Wow!
two. If you're game two officials, and I think the
Giging
teams
slime na
better
po
be
yung
ready for this too, that anything being said might be called a technical foul, which would go to
Ito po.
suspension, 7 technical foul.
Cheese
Steve,
slime.
meanwhile, because Beverly was fouled but was tossed out of the game, somebody has to shoot the free throws. In that instance, the opposing team gets to pick anybody.
Ako po di pa po ako pinagpapawisan.
Ronnie Wallace, the second best player out of Cal, came in to shoot the free throws. Wallace commits a foul down the other end, and they call everything any touch.
Kasi
But I
papa,
think Steve made a really good point. Mark was alluding to it earlier.
yan po.
The three officials are a team.
So, sorry po doon sa mga noises. Kasi po, nanonood po huli yung daddy ko ng basketball.
There's some calls that hurt
Nung mami ko po, nagluluto ng ulam namin sa lunch. Pag 12 o'clock or 12:30. Hindi po po yung akin. Masyado po. Nalagyan ko po ng borax. Sticky po yung akin, kaya po kailangan natin ng borax. Dami. Dati po kami gumawa ng stand, pero po yung mami ko po, sinabi sa akin, tigilan ko na po yung sinabi ni mami, kailangan ko na daw itapon yung stand ko. So, yung one is 2017, 2019, ay 18, 2017 yun, kaya yung naging 2018, pwede na ako gumawa ng stand. 2019. So, 2019 na dito. Kaya, yung birthday ko po yung December 1. Yung New Year ay yung Christmas. Oops. Kailan yung birthday mo, May? October 30. October 30 daw yung birthday niya. So, happy birthday to all of us. Kahit hindi yung birthday ko. Sa birthday, happy birthday. Yung mga hindi po masyado po maganda advance birthday. So, kagaya po ng classmate ko, birthday niya na po na yun. So, aalis po kami mamaya. So, kailangan ko ng borax. Akin po naging clear purple. Ako naging clear pink. May kailangan mo pa ng color blue. Color blue? Okay. Yeah. May! Okay. Yung cup ay yung pakat. So yung mga ibo po, gagawa po ako sa school bukas kasi po Monday po bukas. So Sunday na po na yun. Linggo. Kakalunes po bukas. Linggo yung muna. Swerte na. So yan na Sabado.
Coming up on 3 minutes remaining. Arrow double team again. Draymond Green, 24-second violation. Clippers unaware. Draymond Green
Wala dito.
wants 17 points, 7 assists, 7 rebounds. This is a vintage playoff performance from Green.
Yeah, he comes in defense, he's been the voice of that defense. Just an incredible defender individually and then team-wise also.
Push. Ito po siya. Nasaan ako? Hi! Bye! Ito po yung bola.
Game one from Denver. Michael Green can't get. Rebound.
Nice lang ko. So, kuha ko kami ng
Coach, you talked about Andre Iguodala's hands. To me,
lalagyan.
the two best guys,
Mamaya.
active hands in this league defender, is Andre Iguodala and Paul George. They are so destructive with their hands, getting involved, coming up with timely steals, and deflection.
Gilgeous Alexander pull up Jeffrey Skate. 18 points for the rookie in his first NBA playoff game. Jerome Robinson, meanwhile, rookie from Boston
Sir po,
College, also out
pag
there.
hindi niyo po, sinalo ko po sa
Stands here alone from rebound.
tignan ko.
Thompson catch. Three-pointer from Thompson.
Wala na siya, May. Wala na.
The Warriors 14 for the game, and it's 119-101.
Akin po parang, pag nakita niyo po yung mga lines na yan, ayan po dahil sa borax kasi kakagawa po po na.
Under 2 minutes
So,
remaining.
nagawa ko po yung slime collection ko with May. With May slime ko.
Clippers did a lot of good things, but the game
Ngayon
did
po
start to
magpapa...
turn late this
Alam na po kami.